Chat. No. You guys can make a meme out of this, right? But what if when you're going backwards, you actually had that, but in your bumper? It's in your bumper. It's protruded, and if it does that, the hydraulics press a button and it insta brakes. Chat. The sensors, they just go and there's a lot of false positives. That would be a absolute undeniable contact.